Hi everybody, my name is Roz. I'm from Let the Children Play Toy Shop and this is my son.
Roy.
Yeah, and we're doing a special video here because I am so excited.
I'm excited too.
I knew you would be. All right, so we've ordered a really cool game, and this is a board game that I have been so looking forward to seeing ever since I saw it kind of ending on Kickstarter. So this was a Kickstarter project, and I missed out on the Kickstarter, but I was lucky enough to get myself still a deluxe copy of it through another company. But the good news is Let the Children Play Toy Shop is going to be getting these games in very soon, hopefully before Christmas. We won't be getting the deluxe version because that was specifically for Kickstarters, but the standard version is almost just as good. Well, it is just as good. It's just the components are slightly different, and we'll explain that when we open this. But without further ado, let's do this unboxing. Okay, I don't normally do unboxings, but let's do this. So, just delivered today, this afternoon, and like I said,
we're gonna say what it is
when we get it out. Okay, so I haven't even seen what it looks like yet inside. All right, nice. All right, let's get this out.
Oh my!
Wow! Check this out. Get rid of the box. All right, everybody. This is Flamecraft. Yeah. Oh, look! Yes, it definitely comes with. Okay. This is really cool. Look, stop it. We're just going to open it up and show you. So, Flamecraft, it's come from a company called Cardboard Alchemy. I absolutely love what they do. No, that's all right. The design is by Manny Vega, and the artwork. Now, some of you may be familiar with the artist. Her name is Sandara Tang. I think she's Singaporean, and she is famous for her dragon and fantasy paintings and designs and things. And she did all the artwork for Flamecraft. In fact, it was her artwork that inspired the game to start with. Oh, I'm so excited. All right.
You lift it up.
Okay, so Flamecraft is a 1 to 5 player game. So it does have a solo mode, but you can play up to 5 players as well. It goes for about 60 minutes, so a 1 hour game. It's a Euro game with really good mechanisms in it too. Age 10 plus, so you're spot on for this, aren't you? All right, here we go. Let's open this up. This is so exciting.
The dragons in the front look so cute.
The dragons are really cute. I'm going to bring this in close. Check this out. All right, this game
and they're even cuter on the instruction book.
Oh, yeah, look at that. All right, this game is basically, it's so sweet, all right? You can speak dragon, or you can talk to these dragons, and they are artisan dragons. So these dragons get employed by shops in a marketplace and produce potions or bread. Some are baking dragons, blacksmithing dragons. They all have their own special ability. The other thing too that I've seen online about this game is the names of the shops and the dragons are so cute. There's a lot of puns.
I think there's one called Potato Cookie.
I just love that. Look, it's perfect inserts in this game too. This is so exciting. All right, so first of all, the game mat. All right, now this is a bit of a table hog, I've heard of a game, because the game mat is quite large. Oh, this is so exciting.
It looks large.
It is a neoprene mat, and this comes in the standard version as well. All right, we're just gonna, okay, this does look really large. I'm gonna lay this out on the table here, and then we'll move it back into shot. Oh, look at this is so cute. All right, flatten that out there. Okay, put that down there. All right, let's bring it back a bit so you can sort of see.
Do you want to show the camera? Like,
yeah, we can hold it up. See if you can see that. This is beautiful. Wow.
It's showing all the streets.
Yeah, so this is your marketplace, okay? And shops get laid out, and they've even got little frontages and everything.
Like over here looks like a potion.
That's a potion shop, definitely.
Up here's a weaponsmith
shop, yeah. And basically, your objective in the game is to become
the best merchant.
Well, not the best merchant. No, it's the best dragon
speaker.
sort of
To help
thing.
everyone.
So the most productive, the most noteworthy, I suppose you could put it, by basically getting notoriety, which moves you around the marketplace, and the person who gets the furthest wins. Now there's also a park up here where dragons get laid out in the park, and they move around and get placed in different shops and things like that. Let's look what else. The resources in this are so cute. So timber resources. So oh gosh, there's two levels.
things.
Look at this. All right. So I love the inserts. So let's open this up. Look at this. This is from the bakeries. I'm just going to try and get in close. See if, oh, it's a little bit blurry. This is a little timber bread piece. Oh, so this is part of the deluxe version. They do come a little bit prettier, but you still get timber, or they might be cardboard.
They're cardboard.
They're cardboard in the standard. Thanks, Roy. So that's a little difference between the deluxe and the standard, but doesn't matter. They still look really cute.
Little diamond cardboard.
Yeah. There's a little meat one, okay, because we have butchers, so there's dragons that are meat dragons as well.
Hope they don't eat people.
There's plant dragons, so we got little plants. We got potion dragons.
We got
so these
anvils.
anvils, well done for the blacksmith one, so for the metal work ones. So they all produce.
Hey, what are the green ones?
They're plants.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, so they can grow plants. All right, so we get lots of resources. I'm just going to put them over there.
They'd be needed.
All right, now what also, I'm saving the cards till last, but we've got, this is part of the deluxe. Okay, you get a little pouch here. Oh yeah, there's, oh my gosh, I just found the dragons. Okay, here's the shops and things. We'll leave them to the
And
side.
here are the metal coins that come with the deluxe edition.
All right, so the deluxe edition has metal coins, like you said. Oh gosh, let me feel of that.
It feels like gold.
It does. It feels like pieces of 8. But in the standard version, you'll get cardboard versions, but they're still really cute. Okay, so I'll just bring these up close. Look at that. And they've got little dragons on them. They're so cute. So
They're going to be
that's a
the
coin
currency in the game?
yes, I believe the dragons can earn money. So we're going to put those in. Can you put them in the bag for us? Because they got to go in the little pouch. Now, let's
There's also
show.
a silver one in here for some reason.
We got a little bit of. We got an extra thing now. A bit of heart.
I wonder what the silver one's for later on.
Yeah, we'll have to. We haven't fully followed the rules yet. I've been watching some playthroughs. Okay, now these are the dragons. Now these come in the standard set. These are timber meeples. Okay.
But with the deluxe edition,
There's a red one. All right, look at that. Okay, deluxe edition does come
with those and the actual miniatures.
We get miniatures. They are so cute. Oh my gosh, they're so
Oh,
cute.
look at this purple one.
So this is why I bought the deluxe edition. I really wanted those.
Wait, should we show them the other two dragons?
Oh,
I think we should.
You can if you want. Yeah.
There's like a dark blue one.
I just love that there's a spot
I think the
for
dark
everything.
blue one might be one for the workshop.
That's a smithing dragon. Yeah, each dragon has like different. So this is the plant dragon, the green one, so color coded.
This is the smith.
That's the smith dragon.
There's
We've got
also
the meat
this
dragon.
light blue one.
That one is. That's a potion dragon. I have to work that out.
It looks like a
might be
potion
jewelry one or something. That's a potion dragon,
And I forget.
and this will be a baking dragon. So this is a bread dragon. Okay, so let's get to the dragons that actually work in the shops. So I'm going to try and just quickly open this up. Oh, this is so exciting!
Should we show them the?
You can
shops?
open that up. Yeah, there should be a.
So they're all. So here are the shop cards. They look really cool.
They do. And what I love about the shops is they have some really cool names. Do you want to read some of them out?
There's the Drake of Cakes.
Drake of Cakes. That's obviously a cake shop, so that'd be the baking dragons.
Fogo de Char, which looks like a meat shop.
Let's have a look. Fogo de Char. Ooh, yes, it's a barbecue place.
Flame on. Funky Brewsters.
Funky Brewsters. So that's a potion making shop. Oh, cool. Oh,
Oh my
god. I love the names of these. Oh my god.
Looks like a vegetable
Yeah.
plant shop.
All right.
Gnome Depot.
Gnome Depot.
I thought it was Depot.
It's a takeoff an American company called Home Depot. All right, so that's just an example of some of the shops that can appear in the marketplace. Now, these are the
there's
dragon
also a
cards.
fashion one called Tip the Scales,
Dragon scales, obviously.
which I think is the diamonds.
Oh, that would be that one. It's a fashion dragon.
Oh,
All right,
yeah.
so the dragons themselves, like these are the cards that represent dragons that get hired out to the different marketplaces. So we've got someone like Pan. I'm just going to show you the artwork. Pan here is a red dragon. We also have Hickory, who's a meat dragon. Twig. I love the names. These are so cute. Twig. Tannin, potion dragon.
They all look so cute.
Bright gem. Oh, that's bright gem we've got in there. Yeah.
Oh.
Wingnut for a no, who else? Oh, Suzette. Oh,
Aw.
crepe Suzette.
Oh,
Loaf.
loaf.
Cinnabon.
Oh.
Cinnabon. So cute. So as you can see, oh, fondue. Oh gosh, they just get even better and
There's
better.
Cookie.
Oh, Cookie. Where's Cookie? We heard about Cookie.
There.
There you go. There's Cookie.
Cookie looks so cute.
And hot dog.
Oh, there's hot dog.
Flambe, thistle, mulch, cutlet, potato. Oh, there's potato.
Potato.
Skewet. Oh. Blossom, lotus, olive, herb,
Munch.
opal wing. Let's get to the
Frostfire.
frostfire. Ooh, moonbeam.
They're the diamond ones by the looks of it.
They are.
Shale.
Shale. These are the
Rusty.
Rusty and coal.
Coal. They go together.
Patina, Flint, and Roxanne. Oh, what a great name for metallurgy ones.
Hot dog.
Yeah. All right. So that's those cards. You also have fancy dragons too. So we're not going to go into all the rules and things. This is just too exciting. You can find lots of playthroughs and things like that online. But this is coming to Let the Children Play Toy Shop soon. All right. We're only going to get a limited number to start with. So if you like the look of Flamecraft, if you like the look of playing with cute little dragons, this is not a game of shoot 'em up and kill 'em sort of games. This is a nice game, okay? This is a game where you walk around a marketplace, you speak to the dragons, you hire them out and collect resources and enchant shops and things like that. It's just beautiful. It's really lovely and we're excited to play it. So,
And here's Potato.
oh my goodness.
He looks so
He
cute.
does. All right, so Flamecraft, all right, if you want to pre-order one from Let the Children Play Toy Shop, then contact us or come in store, put your name down, and as soon as they arrive, we'll have them put aside for you, okay?
Yep.
All right, so that's all from me, from Roz and
Roy. Let the children play.
and Let the Children Play Toy Shop. So have a very great flaming good day.
And don't forget to craft.
Oh, and the craft as well. Yeah.
I'm
All right.
still working on the puns.
Yeah, I think they do it better than us. All right. See you later. Bye.